Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. This is Chef Rudy here. Welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Rudy. This is your boy. Today we're gonna make something nice. It's raining outside, so we're gonna make some soup. So come on, guys. We're gonna make some nice soup. Let's go. Let's get cooking. So here I got all my ingredients. Some chocho. I got some corn. I got some pumpkin, dry season, some potatoes. We're gonna make some dumplings. We got my chicken there. Welcome back to the channel one more time. So here we're gonna just season up the pot for a little bit. Get that going. Alright guys, and then we're gonna start cutting our ingredients. I'm just gonna start dice up everything that we have. And as you can see, I have some of my ingredients already washed. I got my potatoes, I got some yellow yam. We're gonna cook some pumpkin soup, guys. Some chicken pumpkin soup. We gotta get all my ingredients in the pot. So we just basically dice up everything, and everything's already washed. Got some nice yellow yam going in. And this is one pot, guys. This is a one pot, so everything's going in the pot. Just one pot. That's easy. Got my corn here. We got some corn in there. In the pot. Simple, guys. You just add everything to the pot and you're good to go. We got some carrots here. We're gonna slice some carrots. Hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel. We got some natural season that we wash, some thyme. Put some thyme in there. Get the scotch bonnet, guys. Look at that nice scotch bonnet. Using it just for flavor, even though I like my soup spicy still. Some onions. We're looking good, guys. We're looking good already. Look at that pot, so good. Some onions. Everything's going in the pot. My ingredients getting light already. Look at that. Some pumpkin. The last of the pumpkin going in. And this is not the fancy one that we have in Jamaica. It's a lot smaller than the one we have back home, but it's still good. Okay, guys, we're gonna add our chicken. Adding our chicken to the soup. Look at that. Start looking good, guys. Everything is there. This is a one pot, like I said. So just everything is in there. Everything is getting in one single pot. It's looking good already. Some chocha or chayote. There you go. Just want to dice everything up, guys. Let's add it to the pot. And we have some cock soup, braised cock soup. We have some potatoes, some nice potatoes. Cut these bad boys up too. Add these into the pot. There we go. Let's give it a quick stir. Look at that already. All the ingredients in, looking good. There's add some scallions, small pieces of scallions. Some garlic. Some red and green peppers. And some yellow pepper. Guys, we're down to our last season. So I'm a natural season, I'm gonna add it for last. These carrots I'm gonna use for some garnish. So I'm just gonna use these for garnish. So guys, we're gonna make our dumplings now. I'm adding a little cornmeal to it. There you go. We add a little bit of salt. Then we're gonna just mix that up. Mix that in. And add the water. And we're using all-purpose flour. Guys, my dumpling is ready. About to roll them out now. Not looking good. Guys, we're gonna make some dumplings now. So you just take off a piece, and you see it in my video before. You just make a ball, that's it. Roll it. There you have it. Make some small ones today. Body's so full with stuff, but I gotta get my dumplings in there. Okay, what is in there? I gotta get some dumplings in there. Those are my favorite too. I love dumpling more than rice. So I gotta get some dumplings in there. So guys, stay tuned. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Chef Rudy here. Everything is in one pot, as you can see. Getting it done. Nice rainy weather. Best thing to drink, some soup. And I also like to make some spinach also. These ones, just drop them in there. Very nice also. We got some corn, we got some yellow yam, some potatoes, dumplings, nice scotch bonnet flavor. I'm not making those big cartwheel dumplings today. I'm making some nice small ones. at that. And guys, look at that soup looking good already. And I'm gonna get in my natural season. There we go. My cock soup. Garlic powder, some more dry season, some onion powder, it's doing real good, guys, doing real good. A little bit of black pepper. Let it go down for another 15 minutes, guys. And you should have it. There you go. Nice big pot of soup. Okay, guys, welcome back. We're ready to plate. Look at that soup. Got some corn. Look at that. It's good. Chicken. Got some dumpling. And we are ready to eat, guys. We are ready to drink some soup. Look at that. And guys, we have a little surprise at the end. We have some nice breadstick for you. Look at that. There we go. We are ready to eat. Some nice mozzarella breadsticks. So guys, one pot meal, rainy day, no need to worry, just make some soup. Best thing you could do. Look at that. It's beautiful. Some nice chicken pumpkin soup with everything in there. Everything but the kitchen sink. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. Subscribe, like, share. Respect.